have an elevator. Look at this parking garage. We're gonna go here?
Ground level. Going up.
I'm here. Going up. There goes a tiny little cab now. Let's go to P6. That's the top floor. Can you press P6? Thank you. Excellent.
Is it coming?
It could be. What do you think, Dad?
I think this one could be an Otis.
Notice? It's so tiny in here. Look how small it is. How many people do you think you can fit in here? It doesn't even tell you.
Oh, and that does the bottom.
Oh, what does it say?
Max of
12 people? There's no way you could fit 12 people in here.
Parking level 6.
Cool.
Let's take a look around. Maybe walk. Why don't I just sit on the top here against the lunch?
All right, let's go back down.
Do you guys want to walk around out there and get some pictures of the kitchen?
Do you?
Yeah, if you want. Maybe 2 friends.
Yeah, maybe in the summer. Yeah, no, actually press G for ground floor. Where's G? There you go.
Where's his glove?
Can you pass me your glove?
How did it go down?
Let's scale down. Better than that. Sounds like a traction elevator. Right, Dad?
Not sure.
Sounds like the police. This is P1. We want to go down one more floor, hun. Come back. Quickly.
Vic, we don't want to lose you.
Come on, come
Get
back.
back on.
No.
One more level.
Dad,
P1. No, don't press anything. We've already called G. We're good. Now we just wait. Hands down. All right.
Ground level.
Yay! Add the cheering.